Okay, back, go. Okay, bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Oh, oh, we got another one. We got another one. Oh, he's jumping out of the water. Can you believe that? That's 6 casts, 6 fish. You're quite the fisherman, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, he's jumping out of the water. Look at there. Looky there. Crank her up. Crank it up. Crank it up. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. That's another big bass. Crank it in. Hang on to the pole. There's the boy. Attaboy. We already got one?
Yeah.
I think we already got one.
We're gonna
Get another one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
That's a bigger one.
That's another one, isn't it?
It's the same like the other one.
It is. Well, there's... Okay, crank it up. Crank it up, buddy. Woo, he's diving. All right, all right. That's like the same one, all the folks. This is 11 for 11. 11 casts, 11 fish. And Cameron's gonna throw him in. Wait a minute, no, get a better hook. Get a better hold. Get a better hold. Ready? Ah! Okay. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay. You need, here, get a good hold. Are you gonna get a good hold? Okay, I'll throw him in, okay? Okay, count.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! There we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, you've been fishing, man. Smell them. Ooh, fish.